Badam Biscuit recipe. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add 1 1/4 cup unsalted butter. Cream the butter. Add 10 tablespoons soft brown sugar. Add 5 tablespoons white sugar. Cream the butter and sugar soft. Took me around 4 minutes. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons milk. Add a big pinch of saffron and mix. Let it steep for a while. Coarse grind half a cup whole almonds. I did it in around 4 to 5 batches. Add the milk and saffron mixture. Mix in. Add the coarse almonds. Mix it in. Add 1 cup of flour or maida. Mix well. Took me 2 minutes. Add half a cup more flour. Mix it in. Add half a cup more flour. Mix well till no flour remains. Add butter paper to a 6-inch pan. Add half the dough into the pan. Flatten and spread the dough with your fingers. Using a fork, poke holes. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes. Bake till golden brown. Divide the pieces when it is still soft. Pop back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Cool for 30 minutes before serving. Loosen it from the edges. Put a plate, invert it. Flip the dish around. Cover with another plate and flip again. Cut them slowly and carefully. Gently serve the biscuits. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. Did you know that we have similar videos? Do take a look.